Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, you need to fully charge your phone before the first use, as this will extend its lifespan. And now let's turn it on. Just simply press this power button on the right side of the phone till you see the logo. Great, now we can release the button and simply wait till it will turn on. As a next step, if you have already inserted a SIM card, you need to enter its PIN code. So let's do it and click OK button. So now we need to click this blue button to start the process, and this button is presented in different languages. So let's click it and now choose a language. I'm gonna choose English and then click next button. Great, now we need to simply agree with the privacy policy by clicking I agree to all and then on agree button. And now if you have another Android device, you need to select this option, or if you have an iPhone or iPad, you need to click here, or if you don't have any other phone from which you want to transfer data, just click this setup manually button. Now we can choose a Wi-Fi network, or we can skip this option, but I'm gonna choose it and enter a PIN code. Now you can choose to transfer your apps or another tools from another phone, or you can click this button don't copy. So I'm gonna choose this option. Now you need to sign in your account, or you can do it later by clicking this skip button, but let's sign in right now. So I'm gonna enter my email and then a passcode, and after entering it you'll see this information and just click yes I'm in button. And let's move on to the next step. Click I agree and follow the other instructions that will appear on the screen. And now if you want to protect your phone, choose one option from the list, for example a PIN code, so no one will be able to unlock your phone. Or just do it later and skip this step. Skip anyway. Great, now you can set up a Google Assistant, but let's move on for now. And let's get our phone ready. And when you have followed all of the instructions, you will see this information that all is set up now, and just confirm it by clicking this Finish button. And now you can use your phone and even download apps from Play Store or Google Play. So that was all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.